Alright, guys. Time for my trade recap. Oh, what's this? FL Studio. Is your boy trying to make music? Don't quit your day trading job. Alright. Let's go into this. Let's go into why I bought in here and I sold here. Okay, so we'll take it all the way back to when I was born. No. Okay, so here we have the 4-hour chart. I was bullish because of this massive movement up. We input a 4-hour low here, 4-hour fair value gap. We've already broken structure with this move right here to the upside on the 4-hour. So yeah, 4-hour break structure to the upside, invalidated this fair value gap, invalidated this fair value gap, closed right here above these highs. Let me just check something actually. Closed above equilibrium of this movement down. Yeah. We go into the 1 hour. 1 hour, we had obviously the same movement up. We broke structure to the upside, fair value gap here, fair value gap in here. We also had this 1 hour low here, which we swept along with this 1 hour low, which was also a 4-hour low. So we had to sweep this low to get into this 4-hour fair value gap, which we did. But we did break structure to the downside. I should have been looking for 15-minute price action, but I didn't see the break structure to the downside on the 5-minute, on the 1 hour. So I was sticking to 5-minute price action. Got a note, I think a lesson that I've learned today is if there's no news, don't reach magnificent heights. You know what I mean? Because there's not a lot of volatility in the market. So, firstly, what we see is... Okay, this is where I bought in. On the 5-minute, we see a 5-minute break of structure, which I've already put in. We had the 5-minute body close above its previous high right there. And then we had a candle close outside of this inverse fair value gap. This is when we inversed this 5-minute fair value gap. We then had a tap into here, and then a 1-minute break of structure to the upside with this candle instantly. And I thought, wow, that's very, very bullish. I'm going to buy in here. Stops. Is that where it stops? No. Stops all the way down there, actually. We had 4 contracts. Buy here. Stops. It was like here. We then set our take profits for these highs. I just wanted 4 take profits because of 4 contracts, really. But I originally did set my first TP at this 15-minute high. So let's take profit 1, 2, 3, and my final. We then take to the 5-minute, tap back into the inverse, bullish candle out, tap back in, just a lot of consolidation, almost tap this 4-hour fair value gap again, and then we started seeing some progress up. Got real close to first TP, but we reached into this fair value gap here, bullish reaction down, touch into the inverse again, and what did we create here? A 5-minute fair value gap. And then we had a little bit of bullish movement. I'm not going to lie. We cleared out these highs. Didn't close above them. Enter this 5-minute fair value gap here. Guys, let me zoom in for you. Enter this 5-minute fair value gap here, which I didn't think too much of because, you know, I was extremely bullish. But whatever, we respected this, and we started coming back down. Finally touched into the 5-minute fair value gap. Extreme bullish reaction, and I was like, right, this is finally it. We came back down. And then I think it was around here I thought, you know what, fuck it. We're going to move it here, and we'll play it very safe. And then we came all the way down here and broke structure to the downside, invalidated this 5-minute fair value gap, also invalidated this 15-minute fair value gap in the same move, and I thought, right, there's no way this is going up now, and I moved my take profit to break even. Let's just go there. And then bang. We didn't lose $184, actually. We lost $3. So down to our last $967 of the challenge account to use. And I could just say fuck it and short it here, but that isn't responsible. Don't really like no news days. I've heard nothing but good things about them, but in all honesty, quite boring. Trades last quite a long time. I like the volatility and the excitement of things, and the insane moves in the right direction that smack multiple TPs in a short period of time. This was the entire movement right here of my trade. And in the grand scheme of things, it ain't much. It ain't much at all. So, yeah, that was my trade today. Broke even on the day. Well, lost $3, but what's $3? Name one thing that you could buy for $3. Literally nothing. Like, that's $3 is $0. If you buy a $3 coffee, that's a free coffee because you couldn't have spent that anywhere else. Do you feel me, guys? Should we make a fucking song? I'm feeling a song. I'm feeling a fucking song. Already got a beat loading, boys. Whoa. This is not my Discord, by the way. It's not my PC. It's not my PC, guys. Anyway, absolutely fucking love yous. Thanks for sticking around for the trade recap. And, stay black. My N-words.